I might be too strung out on compliments, overdose on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Fade away too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness. And they saying I'm back, I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit, I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, ooh, I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up, but where'd I leave it at? I said I'm on one, so I'm always on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one, so I'm always on one. So take a shot for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take a shot for me. Whoa, whoa, take a shot for me. Whoa, whoa, take a shot for me. Okay, look, I'm honest, girl, I can't lie, I miss you. You and the music were the only things that I commit to. I never cheated for the record back when I was with you. No, no, cause you shut it down, down, down. Yeah, you shut it down, down. You were the baddest girl around, round, round. And they know this, and I know this, that when a good thing goes bad, it's not the end of the world, it's just the end of a world that you had with one girl. She's the reason it happened, but she's overreacting, and it's all because she don't want things to change. I know things get hard, but girl, you got it, girl, you got it, there you go. Can't you tell by how they looking at you everywhere you go? Wondering what's on your mind, it must be hard to be that fine when all these motherfuckers wanna waste your time. It's just amazing, girl, and all I can say is I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Everything's adding up, you've been through hell and back, that's why you bad as fuck. You know you are, oh, you know you are, oh. Girl, you look good, won't you back that ass up? You a fine motherfucker, won't you back that ass up? Call me Big Daddy, won't you back that ass up? Girl, who is you playing with, back that ass up? You working with some ass, yeah, you bad, yeah, so you working with some ass, yeah, you bad, yeah. I know he messed up, let a real singer make it right. Let a real singer make it right, you deserve that much. Let me put something in your life, let me put something in your life, put something in your life. You telling me it's only been a couple of the people that you've been with. I'ma trust you, I'ma give you the benefit of the doubt, and I'ma let you can even call me daddy, give you someone to look up to, oh. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. That I'm on one, so I'm always on one. I said I'm on one, so I'm always on one. So take a shot for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take a shot for me. Whoa, whoa, take a shot for me. Whoa. Stop asking me, do you love this shit? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous? Are you single? I heard you loved your girl, is it true? You getting money, you think the boys you with is with you. And I say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right, alright. And we say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.